Hello everyone, in this video series, we are gonna build another data engineering project using AWS and Snowflake. This is our project architecture. We are gonna make use of AWS Lambda that will be triggered every 1 hour and which will fetch data from weather API and dump it into DynamoDB. Then we'll be making use of DynamoDB stream which will pass its stream to AWS Lambda. AWS Lambda will process the data and load it into AWS S3. Once our data is loaded into AWS S3, our Snowflake will take a data from AWS S3 and load it into Snowflake database. This is the overall project architecture. DynamoDB is good at handling big amount of data, and Snowflake is great for analyzing data. When we combine them, it becomes easier to analyze data and make good decisions. Here, DynamoDB is our transactional database and Snowflake is our analytical database. Let's now go through each of them in brief. Amazon DynamoDB is a special kind of database that makes it easy to save and get data. It does not require fixed structure for data, so it can handle both organized and somewhat organized data. DynamoDB is fast and you can use it even when you need to access data quickly and often. This makes it great for dealing with different kinds of data. DynamoDB has special features called stream. These features give you a list of changes that your data have gone through. It is like timeline of what happened when. You can use streams to keep track of changes and do things automatically when data gets updated. This is useful for creating systems that respond to events, keeping data in sync, and doing real-time analysis on data. Snowflake is a strong data warehouse that lives in the cloud. It lets you save, get, and find data in a smooth way. With Snowflake, you can use regular SQL and more advanced SQL to handle different type of structured and somewhat structured data. This makes it easy to dig deep into a data, get better insights, and make decisions based on data. Snowflake makes use of something called internal and external stages to manage data. Internal stages help bring in data from local system, while external stage lets you access data present in cloud like S3 and puts it straight into Snowflake tables. These stages make it simple to move data from AWS to Snowflake, making it a handy tool for data management. There are various ways to load data from DynamoDB to Snowflake. First, moving data manually from DynamoDB to Snowflake. In this method, we make use of DynamoDB export. We first export data from DynamoDB to S3, then we can download it into a local system or directly upload to Snowflake using the S3 or local system. Next, using DynamoDB stream. We are gonna make use of DynamoDB stream to ingest data from AWS S3 to Snowflake. DynamoDB stream will write a data to S3 using AWS Lambda. Then, using S3 as an external table, we'll load a data to Snowflake stages, then to Snowflake tables. Third method is to load using powerful tools like Airbyte and Talent, etc. Now, let's go ahead and start implementing our project.